Hi. If you feel confused during booting a pendrive taking MBR or GPT, then this video is really gonna help you in details with Rufus Bootable Maker. Many a times, we lose our whole hard disk or SSD files due to this error. In Rufus, a pendrive is connected. I am choosing Windows 11 ISO file. And now, the partition scheme. What to choose? MBR or GPT? Let's find it. Go to this PC. Finally manage. On disk management. Disk 0 is my C drive. And I need to check it for MBR or GPT. Simply, right-click. Properties. Under Volume tab, you will find the partition scheme of your C drive, and this is what you have to select on Rufus. Mine is GPT. Back to Rufus again. Choosing GPT. And continue. Now pressing OK will format my pendrive and making pendrive bootable will be started. Hope you liked it and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.